Hello guys, I am going to show you how to integrate ConvertBox with ConvertKit in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. In the ConvertBox dashboard, click on your profile image in the top right-hand corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Select the Integrations tab. Step 3. On our ConvertKit integration, select Connect. Step 4. Open a new window and log into your ConvertKit account. In the ConvertKit dashboard, select Account Settings from the profile menu. Step 5. Under Account Info, copy your API key and API secret ready for the next step. Step 6. Go back to the ConvertBox integration page for ConvertKit. Give your account a name that will easily identify it and paste your API key and API secret key into the fields below. Then click Connect to ConvertKit to finish integrating your account.